Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to add slow motion effect on Likee. If you want to give your videos a cool cinematic feel, then it is super easy and perfect to add slow motion effect on your video. First of all, open up the Likee application on your smartphone and log into your account like you normally do. From the home page, tap on the plus button at the bottom center to start a new video. You can now go ahead and take a video from your camera by tapping on the red circle, or if you want to upload an existing video, tap on upload on the right corner at the bottom. From your camera roll, select a video you want to add the slow motion effect on. After you select the video, click on next to the bottom right, and you will end up in this video editing screen. Go ahead and select your video from the timeline and then click on speed at the bottom. Now, in order to add a slow motion effect, decrease the speed. Make sure that you choose the speed on the left hand side to the 1x option, that is 0.5 or 0.3. After selecting the speed, click on the tick mark and you will then be able to see that your video is now in slow motion effect. And that's it. Now you know how to add a slow motion effect to your videos on Likee. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.